In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect Excitech Mail to cloud-based storage systems. So the example we're going to use is BIM 360, but the same principle apply whether you're connecting to BIM 360 or Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, you name it, they're all the same. So the first thing you need is the connector that comes with the product. So you can see here I've got the Autodesk desktop connector installed, and that's what we need for BIM 360. Once you've done that, you'll find that it exposes its capabilities here. So we've got BIM 360. So I can navigate down into here, have a look at my project, and in this case I'm interested in Chopin Music School. You can then select that path, copy that to the clipboard, and you're ready to do the next stage, which is to add that to Excitech Mail. So I've got Excitech Mail installed here, and I want to add a location. So I go to the location manager, bring that up, and in this case I could add it to an existing group, but I'd like to create a new group specifically for cloud storage. So I'm going to create new file system group. I'm going to create it off our central storage. That's our M drive here, and we'll give it a unique name. So I'm going to get rid of that name and call it cloud storage. So this is just where the list of locations will be held and shared with all of my colleagues. We're only going to add one location, but you could have as many as you wanted. So the next thing we want to do is add the location. So I pick add location, and then I can Control V to paste in the path that we selected earlier. I may want part of that path, in which case I can select that from here. But the first thing I'm going to do though is, before I do that, is change this. So at the moment I'm logged in as Steve Granger, and if I left it like that, all of the users that use this would find it won't work for them because they're not logged in as Steve Granger, they're logged in as themselves. So we need the system to be able to swap that name out at runtime, and we can use an environment variable for that. So if I put in %username %, make sure you type it in like that. What will happen is at runtime, the system will take whatever the user is logged in as the right name. So that's good. And then I can also pick which part of this path I want to use as the name. So I'm going to say I'd like it to be called Chopin Music School, and I'll call it BIM 360. So let's add that, and we'll just check that that's gone in correct. So we've got %username, and it's now called Chopin Music School BIM 360. That's all good. So I can save that and close the location manager. What I can then do is pick the messages I'm interested in filing. I'm going to select all 4 of these, and if I type in BIM here, it'll filter it down, and I'm going to file it into this new one, Chopin Music School. And you'll see the path. It's going to see users, username, %username, and then BIM 360. So if I just click here, that's now filed. You see all of those have disappeared, and they have now been uploaded into BIM 360. And if we want to have a look at them, we can go down into the project files folder in BIM 360, and here are the messages that they've been uploaded to BIM 360. And then if I wanted to search, I can start the search tool. Here we are, the location that we're interested in. Just type in here, I'll just type in BIM, and it's filtered straight down, and here are the messages exposed via the search tool. And that's all you need to know.